Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Braintree Marketplace Payments. Review my usage experience. Braintree Marketplace Payments is a payment gateway specifically designed for marketplaces. It's aimed at businesses that facilitate transactions between buyers and sellers on their platforms, handling everything from processing payments to managing payouts. Key features include secure payment processing, fraud prevention tools, and robust reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Braintree positions itself as a secure and scalable solution, emphasizing ease of integration and robust fraud prevention. They highlight their competitive pricing, though specifics aren't readily available without a customized quote. Their website indicates a strong focus on PCI compliance and secure data handling. Availability is global, though specific regional support details need to be checked on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Braintree Marketplace Payments. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The setup process was well documented, and I had my first test transaction processed within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed key metrics like transaction volume and payouts. I particularly appreciated the detailed reporting features. It was easy to generate custom reports to track sales trends and identify top-performing sellers. I also found the fraud prevention tools effective. I had a couple of potentially fraudulent transactions flagged automatically, which saved me a lot of hassle. I did have a quick question about integrating Braintree with a specific third-party tool, and their support responded within a day via email, which was excellent. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve associated with configuring advanced payment options. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I understood them, it was smooth sailing. The standout feature for me was definitely the robust reporting, providing valuable business insights. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Braintree Marketplace Payments. It's a powerful and reliable solution that significantly streamlined my marketplace's payment processing. That's my overview of Braintree Marketplace Payments. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.